Hey guys, welcome back to the video. This is the detail hot lap and we'll show you how to clean your tires and make them go from this to this in quick, easy steps. So the first step you want to do is put your vehicle on some flat surfaces. These are camping stabilizers. And then you want to go ahead and fill up a bucket full of water. Make sure that water is soft water. If you don't have soft water, that's fine. Next, you want to go ahead and bleed out your air in your power washer. If you have a garden hose, you can go ahead and skip this step. So the next step, we want to go ahead and spray the tires. Spray the tires, get them all clean of all the dirt and debris. Make sure you get in the wheel well as well. So the next step you'll see right here is I'm using the Meguiar's tire and wheel cleaner. This is perfect on all surfaces, it's pH balanced, so you don't have to worry about your ceramic coating getting, bogged down or removed from this process. I use the Mother's wheel brushes and tire brushes. This does a great job to remove all that dirt and grime off these tires. You'll see on these leveling kits, I do have enough clearance to get around the full tire, and that's why I use these. You'll stand out way more if you don't have to rotate your tires every single time you clean them, so that way you get the job done right the first time. When you're done with this process, I go ahead and use the power washer to clean off all the remaining soap and suds on the vehicle, so that way it's very clean. And then you go ahead and clean your whole vehicle, and then we'll come back and explain what you do next. So you're like, hey, I do not have actual rims on my vehicle. I have these plastic hubcaps. So basically what you do is take it off, and you'll see a lot of dust break, a lot of dirt buildup on the back of those hubs. So you want to go ahead and take it off and then clean the wheel itself, because you'll see a lot of dirt on those. I do live on a gravel road, so it does cake up a lot of dirt. You want to go ahead and power wash all of it from the inside and the outside, so that way it's a very clean surface to work with. Then I use the same technique to actually finish the vehicle. I go around the tire. You'll see there's a lot more dirt on the actual tire surface and the wheels. So you just want to go ahead and use a wheel brush and then a tire brush, and you should be good to go. And I will show you the final steps of finishing the tire with some dressing. So the next step, we go ahead and use Car Pro Pearl. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, and I have a sponge applicator here to put it on. You want to go in and around all the emblems and make sure it is clean. It looks clean whenever you're done. And do not want to have like fling, the noticeable fling from car shine products. Wipe it down with a microfiber towel or the back of the sponge. It produces a very slick surface for the product look basically, and your tires look almost brand new. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button for more content like this, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one.